Hello everybody, Gisele Grenier here. I'm about to start filming a video and I came across something during my setup that I would really like to show you how I do this, because it may help you with your painting. A lot of you are having some trouble with lighting, and I keep saying, well, you really should be, when it comes to the values, the lightness or darkness of a color, that you really need to be doing this in the same place under the same lighting conditions. And I want to give you an exercise. Now, a lot of you won't have access to this, but if you happen to, to get it, you may even be able to find YouTube videos on how to make one. What this is, these are lighting cards, white balance cards, and this is what I use for photography. And I use this to set up the white balance before I film. What happens is basically I put it here, set the video camera for the white balancing. I record a little 10-second shot, because then when I pull the video into Adobe Premiere, I take an eyedropper, click on this, and that shows me true white. Now look at the difference here. This is a pure white card, but look at my sketchbook. It looks, now I don't know if it's going to look like that on your screen. On my monitor that's right here, this looks really yellow. And I thought, okay, maybe it's because it's picking up the yellow here. This is just this paper, and when I look at it now under this lighting, it is a cream colored paper. So for painting, it's great for studies, and I'm going to be using this for a drawing exercise. But just to show you that this is not true white. So when you're working on your pieces, and if you're really looking to judge something that's white, there will be really nothing whiter than this when it comes to white balance. But, oh, I don't know if I can do this. So this is the piece that I'm going to be working on. Look at that. Big difference. This looks more violet now, doesn't it? So just to give you an idea of the different things that you can do to judge the actual whiteness of something. So if you're able to get your hands on white balancing cards, white light balancing cards, grab one, because then what you can do is when you're judging values in that, you can put that on top of your piece that's dry, take a snapshot, and then look at it on your phone. A lot of times we get so focused on our lighting and whether something's too light or too dark, and working with values, we focus our eyes onto this. We need to be looking at this. So this is a perfect, now if I just flip this way, oh, and don't look at how dirty that is, because that's really dirty. This way. There's the values. Lightest light, darkest dark, and what's in between. So this is a great way to judge values as well. So I picked these up at Henry's, which is a camera store, but you can get these on Amazon, and they're available everywhere. Just don't splatter paint, because they don't come clean. So just a little tip on, little tools that can help you judge your values, judge your lighting. When you're taking pictures, if they always look out of whack, these will help you get your photographs back to what they should be when it comes to actual white balance. So hopefully that makes sense. But if you have any questions, just comment below.